Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to activate RBC Debit Card. It is a very simple step. Firstly, open your preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search RBC Debit Card and press enter. And at the first, you can see the option Debit Card. Simply click over there. Now, firstly, you need to call on the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your card. This is an automatic system that will guide you through the process. If you have your account, then log into your account or sign into your account and look for the option to activate your card. You might be able to activate your card at an RBC ATM inside the card. Follow the screen instruction and select the activation option. If you prefer in-person assistance, you can visit your nearby RBC branch and ask a staff to help you to activate your card. And this is how you can activate your RBC debit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.